Hey everyone, welcome to the guide on how to find promo codes and special offers on Binance that can help reduce trading fees or unlock rewards. Let's dive right in. One of the easiest and most trusted ways to access promo offers is through the Binance app itself. Open the Binance app and head to the homepage. From there, look for the Rewards Hub option and tap on it. Inside the Rewards Hub, select Reward Shop. Here, you'll find a variety of vouchers available for claiming. These may include trading fee discounts, cashback offers, or other benefits tied to your Binance activity. As you use the Binance app regularly, you can earn additional rewards by completing simple tasks within the app. Another method is searching for promo codes on third-party websites, but these are often outdated or invalid. For the most reliable rewards, it's best to stick with Binance's official channels. And that's it. Stay active, visit the Rewards Hub often, and keep an eye out for new offers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.